Here's a quick look at the major changes between iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. iPhone 12 versus iPhone 11. Every major spec Apple change in 2020. Here's how the iPhone 12 compares with the iPhone 11, and both iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 are 6.8 screen. Also, refresh at 6 frames per second. The iPhone 12 has an upgraded camera, offer the next generation 5G cellular connectivity. The iPhone 11 price right now is $599. The iPhone 12 is $799. The display size resolution of the iPhone 11 is 6.8 LCD, a 1792 by 828 pixels, while the iPhone 12 is 6.8 inches OLED, 2532 by 1170 pixels. The pixel density is 326 ppi for the iPhone 11, while it is 460 ppi for iPhone 12. The dimensions are in inches is 5.94 by 2.98 by 0.33 inches in iPhone 11, while it is 5.78 multiplied by 2.82 by 0.829 inches in the iPhone 12. The weight in ounces and grams. The iPhone 11 is 6.84 ounces, 194 grams. The iPhone 12 is 780 ounces and 164 grams. The processors are Apple A13 Bionic on the iPhone 11, and on the iPhone 12 Apple A14 Bionic. The special features are water resistant, IP68 dual SIM capabilities, nano SIM and eSIM wireless charging on the i11, while on the iPhone 12 is 5G enabled, MagSafe water resistant, IP68 dual SIM capabilities, nano SIM and eSIM wireless charging. The iPhone 12 series are now official. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro promise amazing performance with the new A14 Bionic chip and the 5G capabilities, turning the iPhone 12 series into very fast and capable phones. The standard iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro have certain similarities, but they also have important differences. So here we compare the official information about the two new smartphones. The iPhone 12 versus iPhone 12 Pro design and colors. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro both have the same classic iPhone inspired design with flat sides. However, this time the phones have thinner bezels compared to last year's iPhone 11 series, along with the overall thinner and lighter body. A notch houses the front selfie camera and the Face ID sensor. The Apple logo is positioned in the center of the iPhone 12's back. Both phones feature 6.1-inch display and are therefore of very similar sizes. As for the iPhone 12 colors, the iPhone 12 Pro brings a stunning Pacific blue color for a touch of vogue to the Pro lineup, while the iPhone 12 colors are again more flashy and juvenile. Here are the iPhone 12 colors. It's white, black, blue, red, green. And the iPhone 12 Pro colors are Pacific blue, silver, graphite, and gold. Both smartphones come with glass backs, but while the iPhone 12 sports a slightly cheaper matte aluminum frame, the 12 Pro upgrades that to a finely polished stainless steel one. Additionally, the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro come protected from water and dust with the IP68 rating. More durable with ceramic shield for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will come protected by a ceramic shield layer, which Apple says brings 4 more protection times in accidental drops. It's good that even the more cheaper model is getting this durability feature. iPhone 12 versus iPhone 12 Pro display. The displays on the iPhone 12 is 6.1 inches and the iPhone 12 Pro are pretty much the same. A beautiful 6.inch Super Retina XDR OLED is present on both phones with 2532 by 1170 pixels resolution and 458 ppi for crystal clear and crisp image. This might seem like a surprise to some, as in previous years non-Pro iPhone featured an LCD display instead of an OLED, which was reserved for the Pro models. A welcome and highly appreciated updates we might add. The iPhone 12 is listed as 625 nits, while the one of the iPhone 12 Pro is 800 nits. iPhone 12 versus iPhone 12 Pro hardware and performance. A14 Bionic chip, 64 versus 128 GB. Base storage option. Here the difference are again almost non-existent. Both phones are powered by the almighty A14 Bionic chip, built up on a 5nm manufacturing process tipped by Apple to the better performing than the powered A13 that we find in the previous generation of iPhone. Apple states that the A14 is the fastest processor on smartphones and also very powerful, efficient at the same time. By far the biggest difference between the two phones in this section is the base storage level. For the iPhone 12, this is 64 GB, $799 the price, but for the iPhone 12 Pro it's 120 GB and it's only $999. On the other hand, the iPhone 12 Pro has 4 cameras, beating the standard iPhone 12 with a telephone camera and a LiDAR sensor, which assures a more realistic looking AR portrait mode in low light, faster shutter speeds and autofocus for the night mode. Additionally, the iPhone 12 Pro can record a 10.5 HDR video, and what's more, the Pro can record in a Dolby Vision HDR video. The iPhone 12 can also record Dolby Vision HDR footage, but only up to 30 FPS. 60 FPS Dolby Vision recording is reserved for the Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro also impresses with its improved OIS capability, powered by the LiDAR sensor. The iPhone 12 Pro's cameras will be capable of quickly focusing on a subject in low light conditions, providing extensive depth information. Both models support regular and HDR 4K recording at 60 FPS. 5G connectivity. The iPhone 12 series are the first iPhones to feature 5G connectivity, so iPhone users will now be able to benefit from lower latency and higher network speeds that 5G provides in areas where it is available. The iPhone 12 versus iPhone 12 Pro battery life is 2775 mAh. The battery demanding 5G connectivity, big and beautiful OLED screens, and mighty performance capabilities, flagship phones impress us with the make and a bigger battery a must in a flagship smartphone. Well, number 120Hz display refresh rate this year on the iPhones, meaning it won't impact their battery life. Additionally, the new A14 Bionic chip is built up on a 5nm manufacturing process, making it more powerful and efficient. The MagSafe is a new feature that both the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro support. It improves the reliability and the efficiency of wireless charging and feature magnets that help with new iPhone 12 cases. Well, dear folks, that is it for today's presentation. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, ring the notification bell for our future coming videos. Thank you and have a good evening.